Hello everyone, my name is Wing Tan. I am a Senior Library Assistant in Ocean County Library. In this presentation, I'm going to show you all how to use Novelist Plus. First, we are going to visit the Ocean County Library's website, which is www.theoceancountylibrary.org. At the top, you will find the menu option. Click Resources, then Databases. On the search bar, just type Novelist Plus. In order to get a free access, I need to put my library card number here. So this is the Novelist Plus homepage. For beginners, I'm going to show you how to do the basic search. So at the top of every page, you will see a search box. You can use it to search for anything, like keyword, title, author, series, or narrator. The first one, keyword search, is a default search, and it's a pretty straightforward way to search. Simply type in the words or topic you are interested in. So I type K-pop bands. At the Books tab, you can see the titles match your search terms. In this case, the first top 3 books are the most relevant. If you already know the book's title, just switch to title and type the book's name. So it brought me directly to that book's page. One of the most fantastic things is, on the right-hand side of this page, you will see a list of reader likes. These books are recommended because they are similar to the one you are looking for, such as their genres, plots, and tones. And if you have a Goodreads account, you can click here. It will take you to that page directly. Or if you check the library catalog, it will take you directly to the Ocean County Library's catalog for these items, where you can check which branch owns it. For display, which is more information about this item, or you can place requests. And you can add to my list. Scroll down a little bit, you will see the book's reviews, and next to it is an audiobooks tab. From here, you can find the narrator's name, how long the length of these audiobooks are, and whether it is abridged or unabridged. You can also search more under the list and articles, like genre, location, tones, and subject. Like if I check heartwarming, female friendship, mothers. It has 16 results, and the top one is the sequel of Firefly Lane. If you want to search for an author, use the author search and type the author's name. In the author record, you will see a list of books, audiobooks, more information about this author. It will also give you a tips for the best book to start with. This one is a Nightingale. Same thing here. If you read all your favorite authors' books, they will suggest some other authors whose style is similar to your favorite authors. If you're looking for a series, use the series search. In the series record, you will see the series title in reading order. If you have a favorite narrator, you can search here. Just type the name of the narrator. For searching this one, you can sort by the relevance, author, title, the newest date, and the oldest date, etc. The author and title, they are by alphabetical order. Novelist Plus is an excellent tool for discovering your next favorite books. Hopefully, you find this Novelist Plus search presentation useful. Thank you for watching.